In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create website in Canva for free. You can create a business website for your product launch website, for your product promotion website, or to promote your service or organization website or personal portfolio website using Canva. You don't need to have a pro account. You can use your Canva free account to design or to launch your website completely free. And in fact, you don't need to have design skills. Within a very short time, you can launch your first website using Canva. I will show you step-by-step process on how I create website in Canva for free. I'm Saif from digiWhisper, and let's get started. First, log into your Canva account and then click here to land the Canva dashboard. So I am currently here in the Canva dashboard, and first click in the template section and now search website template or just search template or website, and here you will find all of the available website designed for you. These all are the Canva website templates. You can start from any of the website or any of the design. First choose your design, or you can start from the blank. Just it will open up a blank canvas for you. You can start your design from the scratch. I will prefer to choose any of the design first here and then start from customizing any of the template available for you. You can here click this button and just click the website, and it will come up with all of the website template for you. You can choose any of the style, let's say animated style, modern style, simple, minimal, and lots of different types of available style for you. Let's say I want to create a professional website, so I'm choosing it, and here you will find all of the available professional website for you. You can customize any of the website template for your design. And one thing you should remember that some of the templates has crown icon. When you see this, it means this template is only for a Canva Pro user. If you are a Canva free user, then you should only choose the template without the crown icon. You see this all are the Canva Pro users template, but this is completely free. It is without Canva Pro tag. So you can use this template. You can use, let's say, this template. You can use this template. You can use this template. So there are a lot of free template available for you. You can start from any of them. Let's say I want to create my first website from this website or this template. Just click here and just now customize this template. Click this button and it will open up the whole template in front of you, and you can just customize your design from here. Let's say I want to change my name here, Saifullah Saif, and I want to replace this image with my own image. So upload your image from here, and I have already uploaded my image, and I want to use, let's say, this image or this image. So I am just dragging it and drop it here, and now I need to just adjust it. So this is perfect. I can also make this as, let's say, black and white. So to do this, just click the edit button and now click the adjust button, and now just minimize the saturation to make this as let's say black and white. I want to increase the black. Okay, so I think it's perfect for now, and I can just change the job title. Let's say digital marketing consultant, and everything I can just change based on my information. And here about me, just change this, and I can just replace it with my information and everything. Let's say I want to replace this image as well. So I want to add an image from the Canva element library. So click here in the element section and search, let's say, personal, and click here, in the graphics section. And now I want to just delete it and add this here so that it looks better. So this is, I think, perfect and looking great. And I can change all of the information available here, just my name or my social media name, etc. Let's say I want to change this name and I want to replace it with my own email. So digiWhisper, and add your own phone number, just +88017371555305, and your own website address, Saifullah Saif. So I can change anything if I need, and just drag and drop. It's not very hard. Let's say I want to replace these images with my own image. I can just upload image and replace it. Let's say I want to add some creative or creativity related image. Clicking here, and I got this types of image here, and I can replace with this image. So I'm just changing this. It's very simple. Just you need to customize all of the image or all of the information or elements with your own elements. Let's say I want to add or just change the font. So just select it, and here click here, and you need to select any of the elements which is without crown icon. So here you will find a lot of fonts available here, but one thing you should remember always, that you can't use or you shouldn't use any of the element which is with crown marked. If you use this type of elements, you can't launch your website. So this is the thing you should remember always. So this is the way you can design or customize your information or replace your information. And once everything is perfect, let's say I want to change the background as well. So click here and add a new background. So I want to make it, let's say, like this. So I want to make this background a little dark. So this is very simple. Let's say I want to make another website. I can just go here and click create a new website, or click here and just here search website, and here you will find this. Click here, and again this is a blank template and I need to design my website here. I can just click the design section, and here you will find a lot of different types of available website templates for you. You can just pick your design and then customize it and launch it. It is that simple. And once everything is done, I can just click here, or first I can just check the preview. So click here to check the preview of your website. So this is the preview of my website here, and I can just launch my website clicking here publish website, and here you will find options to choose your domain. You can either use your own domain, let's say saifullahsaif.com. So this is the option for you to customize this website in your own domain, or to launch your website in your own domain, or you can just launch this website with a Canva subdomain or free domain. So let's say I want to launch my website from this website or this link, bg digiWhisper.mycanva.site. So just click here now, and here you will find some of the settings available for you. So the first setting is you can just add your favicon. Favicon means when you land any of the website, you will find a icon is available here. So this is the icon, this is the icon, and this icon is called favicon. You can just add a favicon, click here and add your own logo here, and you can on search engine visibility. You can make this website as password protected. You can add navigation menu. You can add resize on mobile. You can add social media, link preview, everything. Another thing, you can add some of the page on your website. So let's say this is a one-page website and I want to launch it with this stage. So I don't want to make this as a complex. I want to make this website as a simple website and very straightforward website. And just I need to click here, continue to publish button. And once clicking here, I just need to click the publish button, and I'm publishing my website here, and it will be ready to publish. And if I check my website, I can just check my website here, and here you go. So this is the website I have designed using Canva, and it is very easy to use and easy to design or customize. It is that simple. So in the upcoming video, I will also show you how you can design your website from Canva and then launch it in your own domain. So let's say this domain is under the Canva website because this is my own identity, but this identity is not my own identity. But if I want to launch this website with my domain, let's say I have a domain, I have registered it from any of the domain registration provider, and then I can also launch my Canva designed website. I will make another video. I will give the link in the description and comment section so that you can check it, so that you can launch your website from your own domain. So this is it. In this video, I have shown you how to create website in Canva for free. All right, that's a wrap. Now it's your turn. What's the one tech issue that's been driving you crazy lately? Drop it in the comment, and I might pick your question in the next video. I genuinely read every comment because this channel is all about solving your real life problem, not just random tutorials. So if you are stuck and confused or just curious about a tool, ask me below. I will reply you personally to help you out. Oh, and don't skip the pinned comment and description. I've pinned some must-visit tools and resources there. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.